Pardon me. Let's see if those motorcycles get a left turn ahead of me going out. Get ready, guys. Get ready. See, their trouble is they're not a car, and they didn't trip the signal thing. So they're stuck. Now there's a car behind them, and that may trip the signal. See, they're talking about going ahead and going around the corner and getting in here. Okay, they got it. They got it. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That car over there isn't turning. So those guys just went on a break in the traffic. That's my guess. Uh-oh. Did we see a moving violation? I mean, they were stuck there. See, that car could have gone with them. I'm just running my mouth. I'm waiting for the light. Here's the light. I turned on my turn signal to indicate to that person that they had the right of way to go straight. Yeah! Drive safely, folks. Steve AB4L with the windows open, saying see you in 73.